was a comedian as well, Honorable Sosu Francis. Our NDC member of parliament for Medina electoral area. Networky. As we can say, we are Ghana, Melbourne, youth no more pay. We can say, we are man warriors. Honorable pa. Young go to Indomie say. Degree holder with Indomie. What if the degree holder Indomie seller? What that about today? Young go to Indomie say. We can say be. I'm a media. There was a more kind of bosso. Me want to remove what the word amame. Ewo comment section. How Penyah broke media. Best was say any demo. Over like video, no that my subscribe button, some click notification icon of latest update. Now better why the mama. Ewo comment section. So baso. Not sure for any be ashe. So yeah, got 2024 elections in the mono. Obia launch, the campaign message. Now I least for the end there na emoham because omo campaign message, na ni asempoti 3 a edaso. A resetting Ghana agenda. Just omo campaign message in the head word. A resetting Ghana agenda into parentheses or into bracket 24-hour economy. Emma 24-hour economy na entremu and said that my papa ye I say omu entremu a make sense but omu for say ya benya formula 133 say
which we have a formula for the 24-hour economy and it's a very simple one. Formula 133. Same job, 3 people, 3 shifts. So when we say 24-hour economy, guys, you respond by saying formula 133. Can we do this? Youth, can we do this? 24-hour economy.
Okay, the Juma Bakono. You better run on 3 shift, 8-hour shift. Or we are bound up. Now go point we are. No, we are area. Now go point anajo. No, we are called anajo. Now go point the next day morning. That's a 8-hour shift. Fair deal. I say, Emma, Ghana for an anti assembly. I try to say, Mahama ba. Enyuma dia oh, you go surplus. Oh, massa. Enyuma go surplus. Enyuma go surplus. Emma even kwano campaign time. Honorable Sosu, who was then parliamentary candidate for Medina electoral area, can same way and the constituent.
Within the 24-hour economy, you be share juma self from 6 o'clock into Obibeko 6. Ebebo be set 2 no now upon. The second set ebeko from sa 2 no. Ebebo 10 no so upon. The third set beko be set 10 and upon 6 no upon 8 hours bia no nipa ye juma.
That was interestingly. 1 year down the lane, the NDC government, yeah, as a 24-hour economy, no, abeyan krata da yes and sign as a bay, ye who dear abeya office, yes, and sign krata. I said, moving from industrial policy, abeya bill assent near the adin, ye who dear call ye head who did ye, ya passing bill by you who did your echo so. I said, I'm an youth in a complaint, say, and you many honomo, Mahama, my new man, and the other. Emo, and I honorable Sosu Francis, Kojo Zavi, our member of parliament for Medina constituency, or your NDC MP. Nancy, your granted interview be. Now, honor and what you're here. Mother, motivated Twitter, and I'm watching Munu, and you man yet, and I brought Indomie honor. So the free Twitter, honor go to Indomie.
Sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you were doing is having a small Indomie joint? That gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day. And you have about 10 of those Indomie joints. How much are you making a day? That's about 2,000 Ghana cedis a day. That's if you're just a young person, that's what you're doing. Can you imagine 2,000 Ghana cedis a day? 10 days, how much is that? That's 20,000 Ghana cedis. In 30 days, how much is that? It's about 60,000 Ghana cedis. How many jobs will give you 60,000 Ghana cedis a month? Immigration, Ghana Police Service, GRA, no one will pay that much. So Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash, and that is the honest truth. But young people don't want to be told the honest truth. I know they should find out a job. Okay.
I'm a Ziala, Yavie, Indomie, at the Braka branch, as sitting at your headquarters. Ghana, Ghana funny country. Oh my God, I rather in my next life I'll choose Ghana. Just say, comment to make it with ya. Who comedian so I won't say honorable. Is it for person say? None school acquire no degree holders that na ya qualification did a good them no. Yeah, day. Like what are you telling us? It don't so way. The ebe ewo omo out to people their money no.
Enka MP waka nkwa asempa akire you. E ana moji se emebunu no. The epa ye we nko amebo a. Abeka akire Ghana for say more Ghanaian youth, you people should sit on social media, sit on Twitter, sit on Facebook. Neka de ope. Ne kope Indomie ton. She Ghana mebunu enye de epa ye ni o. Ghana mebunu one of the mebunu Africa. We are serious. We don't just sleep. Go to the various institutions and see how our people the way I don't even know how to say it. Che ekwanya youth efa sutia eye jubadi tia yen school fees. Ene ne Hong Kong ba ebi edi mate which is or a conductor. Obekono emeburuko ebi ye washing bay just to earn a means, just to get money to further his or her education. Sebi Yeniano mani bimpo. Jesse Emareho na emetai. Ebimu kra wo eniema ensese wo se omodi omo body eye. Nipa ni kwa se omo ne tina. Just for them to make a living, just for them to get money to further their education inti. Na ebimo ejai omo ho dia ma nipa nanka enye omo real. Na after nipa ni be wie school bet na fie obeka che ni say onkope Indomie ton na MP mi bisa o wie school no o ton Indomie we Indomie joint wo Greater Accra Medina dodo say come on the fact say nyame e wadoma wadi MP ni nkyere say unim nyansa che obi a Ghana enkyere say constituents na to abako eko yiwu as MP no Sabio enim nyansa omunim nyansa pa a bi kura nim nyansa chew ka o megina meka sa ase mu infa nkyere MP wasema aka die na mo Ghana mabunu we don't blame you, we don't blame the MP, we blame ourselves. We have caused all this and ke meka nkyere say yenum wi nti yenya security service nko ye me kan che say akronfo nti yeko police a obi nkobo krono me yenche no. See, this is the change we want. Nanado danko akufuado ebeka say as a teacher you can't be a billionaire. You have to put a side business and no Ghana for chain away. Unless you set up a side business. Sebe babe supporte waketu ya oje no. Ni esi enti bida. Ni esi papay aboye chemso. Ye dina tem di ene o 82 years. Etnura wanya 82 years nyame gusu shira no.
Abusua do meso de 138.9% nyamensa abusua Hon Sosu Madina MP. I will can't see me. Now, no problem. Nigga will post to me Facebook say on me. Na meba. Many me ya twumsa. Mo ba na nyese na kan. Na na utumi ka che nipa say on your internet Twitter, internet TikTok or enye dede. Na say dede no ye betumi a create job amana. I will say ti Hon Sosu me post to be say no when man be ka say na Hon Sosu de ka no no ka. Mo o de tie.
Sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you were doing is having a small Indomie joint that gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day, and you have about 10 of those Indomie joints? How much are you making a day? That's about 2,000 Ghana cedis a day. That's if you're just a young person, that's what you're doing. Can you imagine 2,000 Ghana cedis a day? 10 days, how much is that? That's 20,000 Ghana cedis. In 30 days, how much is that? It's about 60,000 Ghana cedis. How many jobs will give you 60,000 Ghana cedis a month? Immigration, Ghana Police Service, GRA, no one will pay that much. So Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out.
Youth in Indomie. Share. Me say no. It is as we know. Anapana nkasaya. Anga so mekano. Enkanya papa. Ayemeya. Sir, a whole member of parliament obepe mrashe bedwa edino. Enye se na ka kire Ghana mabunu. Ene o ka kire Ghana mabunu omugu social media ka se omunya dwuma ne yen se. Omodo montina Twitter ne TikTok won munye dede. Na se dede na omuye na be create job ba mo a. O se omonkoye Indomie. Se Ghana youth no Indomie a na o se butu no se de bia na e ska Indomie na ko nya sen. Into omo engage omo into Indomie. Why are there? Better na honorable Susu oba no say na church 24-hour economy mu eche youth na o ka chemo no manye dede na omugo Indomie na dede na omo ye entry create job no say na ka chiro omo
tia me ne wo ka say Ghana obia ekwa adwuma be say 8 o'clock ni upon 5 nti anope bia omo say traffic ye nyina ye kwa na traffic e wo krom ni nyina ye ko ye ponso ni nyina ye ba beda but no kra wo mo ni say emra ye nyina ye beda no amama bebre ho no mo a wo de wo mo ndaye uko America emra ye da na afi na mo di dwa uko China any most of the Asian countries there etedo bia ni mo di dwa no emra ye da no that is the time a wo mo so mo di dwa nti 24-hour economy e hihye bia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ediba ebe ensure say within the 24-hour ni nyina no Ghana ebe ye adwuma sisi amene wo ka say apart from security services a few industries eto be some filling stations in Nioma no obia ekọ adwuma 8 o'clock na 5 na omo apon na sisi ano within the 24-hour economy no ye be share adwuma say from 6 o'clock into obi be 6 ebe bo be say 2 no na wapon the second set ebe ko from saa 2 no ebe bo 10 no so apon the third set be ko be say 10 and up 6 no apon 8 hours bia no nipa ye adwuma ene amene wo ka say we share your statistics 2022 statistics about unemployment rate in Ghana now best 13.7 in 2023 no it increased to 14.7 which is the number of people who are ready and willing to work at one money adwuma nye no edoso and now His Excellency George Dramani Mahama eka wan say yam embrace 24-hour economy yam fa nembra now ono a we the master builder now we the most visionary leader in Ghana no obetimi aba be implementing the 24-hour economy say be Ghana
Honorable Sosu enyewa na wo 24-hour economy mu ate Ghana for so mo goto aba no enyewa ka senyewa e won de no say Ghana for enko Indomie Honorable Sosu e won na wonnim say o ga bi say what did not tell hey and I remember parliament and now kasa no sa you pass ni panic no e shebufu e shi say nipa ni wonya adwuma nya na o kasa wonya adwuma ye omunya adwuma nya no o ka che o mo say o mo de mo tra Twitter ne TikTok no mo social media no munya dede na say dede ne be create job ama mo a na mo fo mo go say omunko Indomie youth in Indomie ke Honorable Sosu so when you assemble account ka wonu tum mu bi say no mo disappointment say mo kasa na ni party mu ahun de bia ni pa ebe ko so abu mo disappointment na waga so mo to abama we no how many times akọ constituency one mo how many times then at the end why am mo say Ghana youth inform mo say Indomie mo fa mo ba wo na ojo 24-hour economy job ko ke obi say asem na Susu kani say in the political way na den master ye be ka no kwa kire mo na mo ge nya hye mo wase o na mo some MPs ni bo ho ye ka se ko mo asema ho mi ka me ni obi ho ani ko MPP office say depending ni adwuma yo o wa adwuma be adwuma no a whole lot of issue na MP mbo ni pay now the one floor no go to na adwuma so a ye ko officer na mo so mo dey about one after the other na mo nyem ho but edu election san ko furi a omo ba mo officer na mo chacha mo go mo so mo PS mo den bo jagu omo so no edu election ta omo na person wo ko mo ede mam nene ni private na ana go o ka say man capital Okasa man capital. Kojo shedding me pacho to Indomie na yenko.
Youth in Indomie. Come on, Kusiani and Fantoso. Babu Kusiani Tuso. Yes. But already Indomie. Youth in Indomie. Come on, Kusiani and Fantoso. Babu Kusiani Tuso. Yes. But already Indomie.
Hon Sosu, so woni asem bia ka che youth no mu yede so munya dwuma ne nya na ho. Member kan che ni pan say, ono onko ye Indomie no onko ye. But oba no say ono onya dwuma into any capital they started before benya okura no. Stress any pen be fam no. Obe boa no. Obe mo capital they started. Na the word dwuma kura na issue aba na dwuma ho. Enye so be peske o. Ya office obe pese MP no ne honorable ebeye bibi amano na ne ho ahia no tumi na dwuma osomdwem no busam se ekosi sen na MP ni bebre wo a omo de omonya yanya twen na amomo yanya twen pa na amomo ne bebo obi aso one after the other na wona duru a mo beti.
Honorable Francis Sosu, Member of Parliament for Medina. Now the youth cannot demand for jobs again. They cannot ask for jobs again. And because of that, they are making noise. So what? They shouldn't sit on X to make noise and social media to make noise. Rather, they should go and set up Indomie joint. Because for you, you think it's lucrative enough. I mean, nobody is saying setting up an Indomie joint is bad. But let me ask you a sincere question. What has happened to the 1 million coders as a means to give employable skills to the youth? Let me ask you a question. What has happened to the 24-hour economy of state agencies to employ 3 times the current workforce? What has happened to them? Instead of you to fulfill the promises you made to them in opposition, that you're going to create employment for the youth, you lie your way to government. And now instead of you to give them accountability and provide job for them, you're telling them that they are making noise. Don't you think it's a bit harsh? And giving them alternatives to do what? Go and set up Indomie joints. Like by now, they should have like 10 Indomie joints and it will fetch them more money than the security service. You knew that. And yet, Muton forms be brave. And the youth of this country who are already struggling to make ends meet, to buy forms 200 cedis times 500 and something, when you know you're only taking what? 5,000 people or what? So the monies you took from them in the form of buying forms, what are you doing? What are you doing it? What are you using it for? Say you are going to re-register every SIM in this country. 5 cedi times 35 million active subscribers in this country. Why do you want to siphon money from the ordinary Ghanaian? Why? I mean, I don't blame you. Yeah, honestly, I don't at all. Because what? Honorable Rashid Pelpu, once a presidential staffer under Mahama Kaukasha said the youth should go into the bush and gather stones or cut grass to sell as a means of employment. It's sad. It's like, I don't understand if because you think indeed Ghanaians have short memory, or that you can say anything and come to power and now try and defend yourself. I really don't get it. We are told not to be spectators. We are supposed to be active citizens of this country. And so please, setting up Indomie dear enya bone, but come again. How many of your children, your graduate daughters and sons, have you set up this Indomie joint for? How many members of your constituency and what's setting up for them? Why are you sharing Indomie and some sardine and oil and table that they can go and come and take some from you and set up those Indomie joints? Why do you always want to give Ghanaians bare minimum behavior stuff? Why? Is it that as Ghanaians you don't value us? Somebody has completed Legon. Of course, the person can start a business on the side. Entrepreneurship is good. We are all for entrepreneurship. But however, if the youth are demanding for jobs, I don't think that you have that moral right to come and tell them to set up Indomie joints. Because you will not allow your daughter or your son who completed any of these universities or even the ones in America and the UK and what have you to come and set up Indomie joints. Please respect the Ghanaian youth. They're just like your children. They also have problem-solving ability. They only need platform. You said you give us 24-hour economy. Operationalize that. And by so doing, you can absorb a lot of the unemployed youth into that 24-hour economy. Let the 1 million coders you claim that you've trained some, your government claim. Let's see. AI is there. People are doing a lot of jobs, earning money on social media. So they can also sit on social media and make money. But please, with all due respect, I think the Ghanaian youth deserve better. This giving them bare minimum behavior stuff, because set up Indomie joint, go and cut grass in the bush and gather stones and come and sell. Come from kokon keten. Please, give the Ghanaian youth some respect. Thank you.
Chira wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.